Welcome back to the China Law 101 video series. I'm your host, Edgar Choi from Law in a Minute. In today's video, we will talk about what an entrepreneur visa is and how to get one. This visa is a special initiative designed to attract top global talents and highly sought after professionals to come to China to innovate and start businesses. It's like China opening stores wide and saying, "Come on in, the innovation's fine." The R visa is available in two versions, the R1 and R2. The R1 is for those planning to stay long term, as in more than 180 days, while the R2 is for short term stays, which is 180 days or less. So what are the basic requirements for this type of visa? Firstly, you've got to be at least 18 years old, with no upper age limits. Whether you're just entering adulthood or enjoying your golden years, your age is no barrier here. You'll also need to provide a health certificate to ensure you're not carrying any major infectious diseases. We're all about fostering innovation, not in a pandemic. Additionally, you must have a clean criminal record. We want your brilliant ideas, not your criminal schemes. Next, let's talk about professional skills and innovation ability. As an applicant, you will need to possess top-tier professional skills and innovative capabilities. Think cutting-edge, future-forward talent. Experience in your industry is also crucial. We want you to hit the ground running and start making an impact right away. Now, on to your projects and plans. Every great venture starts with a solid plan, and you'll need to provide a detailed entrepreneurial plan explaining your project's content, market prospects, and technological innovations. Also, you'll need to show proof of significant funds to back your entrepreneurial activities in China. In other words, make sure your financial ducks are in a row. So, how do you apply? First, prepare all of your materials, ensuring everything is complete and accurate. Think of it as assembling your toolkit for success. Next, submit your application materials to the Chinese embassy or consulate in your country, or through the online system. The embassy or consulate will review your materials and may arrange an interview. Be ready to impress them with your knowledge and enthusiasm. Once approved, the embassy will issue your R visa, your ticket to an exciting new chapter in China. If you're granted an R1 visa, remember to apply for a residence permit at a local exit entry administration, which is the police station, within 30 days of arriving in China. For the R2 visa holders, you won't need a residence permit, but make sure you leave within the visa's validity period to comply with the rules. However, one important point to note is that this visa does not allow you to work in China. You cannot work for a company under this type of visa. The purpose of this visa is allowing you ample time to set up a business in China, talk to your investors, suppliers, and clients. Once you set up your company, you can change your visa into a work permit to work legally in China. You can employ yourself as a general manager, and you will be able to work legally in China. Thank you for watching today's video. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we will talk about whether you can bring your own drinks to a restaurant.